Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to be making this vintage garden folio. And here are the final pieces that are included in this kit. Okay, let's start the assembly. Very simple folio. I'm just going to start folding along these lines so that we can glue the flaps together. Now that I have done all the folding, so here is the main panel and this is going to be the panel A flap. So this is flap B and C. I am going to glue this flap along the panel B like this. So this flap is going to go along the left side of panel B. And these are the top and the bottom flaps. These are going to go again on the top and bottom of the on the panel B itself. So the panel B is going to make the center of this folio. As you can see, I have like 3 sides of the folio, and the center of the folio is going to be where I'm going to glue all these flaps. There you have it. Very simple assembly. We have the folio with these top bottom flaps and the side flap over here. Now to cover the attached areas right here, I'm just going to use this cover page to glue on top of it. And the cover page I have just printed on normal printing paper, and the rest of the folio, the panels I have printed it on 180 GSM paper. Just using my bone folder so that everything stays in place. There you have it. Let's move on to adding the pockets. I've added some diagonal pockets and normal pockets. You can just use them to fill up the folio over here. I have this one that I thought I can just use it as a belly band right over here. I've also included a mini envelope as you can see over here. I'm just folding it and gluing I'm just applying glue to stick the envelope together. There you have it. This is after all the pockets have been stuck. And let's start decorating. Here you have it. We have finished the vintage garden folio. You can see it includes a lot of roses, like vintage blush roses. And the entire theme of this folio is, it has a Valentine vibe to it. So I think this can make a very good Valentine's Day gift to your loved ones. I have included the link to this kit in the description below. You can check it out, and you can also check out the other Valentine's Day kits that are included in the shop. You can join my newsletter to get coupon codes up to 40% off for all the kits that are available in the shop. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon in another video. Bye bye.